Here at Dakota Micro, we make hardcore kits for badass equipment just like this. Are you ready to get dirty? And by dirty, I mean making a bigger mess than your kids do in the living room. If you have a John Deere loader or something similar to this, you need this EnduraCam kit from Dakota Micro. It comes with everything you need to see everything you need to see, and it installs in minutes. It comes with our toughest camera, the EnduraCam, with 92 degrees horizontal field of view, a 7-inch monitor, a 99-pound pole magnet, and a 20 and a 60-foot cable made in the USA. And of course, all of the mounting hardware you'll need. Let's talk warranty. The EnduraCam has a 5-year warranty against manufacturer defects, and it's guaranteed forever against water or dust getting in there. Good luck breaking our triple hardened glass lens and our patented triple O-ring sealed housing. Hey, did you know the #1 reason why our cheaply made competitors' cameras fail? It's due to moisture or dust getting inside the camera. And now you know. This 7-inch AHD monitor has a 2-year warranty, and it's calibrated to see on the brightest of days. And check out this view. It looks better than a 3-day weekend. Make sure you're safe and everyone else is. And when you're ready to buy the most extreme duty on the market with the best warranty in the business, that's made in the USA, backed by Dakota Micro's quality and amazing customer service, this EnduraCam kit is just for you.